Retro dolls, what's up? So we are headed to Target, as you guys see in the title. Today we are going to be trying out some of their activewear, which I have never tried their activewear. By the way, I'm sorry that the camera angle is cutting off part of my head. It kind of is what it is at this point. Tomorrow is going to be my first day ever taking a yoga class at a studio. The videos that I follow are videos on YouTube at home. You can click the link above. It has the playlist of all of the yoga videos that I've ever followed on YouTube. So if you're wondering specifically what I've been doing, you can watch that playlist. But tomorrow's gonna be my first day going to a class, and not only is it gonna be my first yoga class, but it's hot yoga. It's like 105 degrees in the room. I'll let you guys know how that goes. Follow me on Instagram and you know, you'll get the update on there. I literally only have 2 pairs of yoga pants. They're too big for me. I was doing yoga yesterday and they were sliding down to under my stomach, and that is not gonna fucking happen in a yoga studio. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Oh my God, that was a long intro, and next time I see you, we'll be at Target inside the dressing room. I grabbed 15 different pairs of bottoms. I talked to one of the sales associates. I asked what her like size comparison would be, as far as like extra large equals a size 18 or whatever the case may be. And she said that with this sizing, it's kind of inconsistent. So story of my life, basically. Anyways, I grabbed as many leggings that I could that were mostly XXL. I don't know if that's my size or not, but I'm not really sure about my size. We're gonna try our best. And this is the first pair of leggings. So these are XXL. Ooh, how convenient. You can see the back too. So they fit really comfortably. They are pretty tight and fitted, which is totally fine because better than the ones I had before. They're comfortable though. And they're capris, even though I am 5'5". By the way, everything that I'm trying on, all my measurements, all that kind of stuff is gonna be down in the description. So if you have questions, these are super comfortable. My only concern though is because they are so fitted that when I do like downward facing dog and that kind of stuff, that you're gonna see all the goods. Can you see? You can see my skin. Ooh, they have a pocket on the side. How convenient. I mean, I'm not mad at them, but I don't know. Not doing much for me. They fit all right. They are really fitted, so they are tight. There's not much extra material going on here. They also have this little side pocket too, and it's only on your left side, unlike the last one. The thing that's kind of throwing me off here is you can kind of see it has this like dual threading right here, or I don't know what to call it. I feel like it sort of cuts my butt off. It looks weird right here, like my butt should start here, but it starts here, so I don't know. That, and I don't think I like this pale peachy pink on the bottom. They fit comfortably. There's nothing really wrong with them. It's just, I don't think so. These are definite pass. I already wasn't feeling the print, but I thought, let's try it out. And no, these fit horribly. They won't even really go up. Like, they're sheared out so much. I don't know if you can tell. It went from like gray, I mean black to gray basically. And it's weird because like it's all gathered up here. It refuses to really stretch anywhere else. Basically, these are too small. In the back too, you can see my chonies. You can obviously see this is not working. Sad because the only pair that I was like, yes, I really, really want these, are these gorgeous leggings, and they're the ones that are in an extra large, so we'll see. There's not a chance in hell that these are gonna fit. Moving on. So that's better. These are actually super comfortable and pretty high-waisted, and they make my butt look good, I think anyways. The thing that was super cool is that they have the little scrunchy thing on the ankle, so you can adjust it. That one's tied up already. I adjusted that one so you guys can see a little bit. These are a possible contender, and let's do the shear test. They don't shear out on me. Woohoo! They are not capris. They are super freaking tight on my calves. I couldn't even pull them up all the way. It was so freaking tight. And then you can see like it doesn't fit over my stomach. My ass is hanging out the top of it. I realized that these are the same size as these ones, but I also know that it's different fabric, so it's gonna fit differently. But like, the fuck, this is like so different. Wish me luck on the rest of them. Yeah, I don't really like this style very much, which I kind of knew going in, but I thought, take myself out of my comfort zone, see what happens. But I don't think I like it. These ones again are the comfort fabric, which I'd have to say the other ones were so much more comfortable than these. And this reminds me of like gymnastics in the 80s kind of thing. This looks weird, does it not? Like super glittery right there on the knee, and then it kind of just goes into pink, but I don't think I'm a fan of it, and I'm like melting right now. Has a keyhole right here. Whoa, it's actually a pretty sizable pocket in here. The major reason why I won't be getting these is because, so I don't know if you guys are able to see, but these are already very sheared out, which means that they are too tight. Not even bending over, you can still see my underwear. They're super cute though. I got too much going on. I like the length on them though. These are actually capris. Right, I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but they're a lot more navy blue than black. And they have like a cool sheer detail on the lower part of the leg that goes all the way around. But I had to do a lot to shimmy into these. And I think they said this one has like a little keyhole pocket too. Yep, right here. Let's do the shear test. Kind of. Oh yeah, totally. Never mind. As you can see, we're not in the dressing room anymore. I think the consensus for that try-on is that I'm still too big for their size range as far as their activewear goes. So that kind of sucks, but I know like I'm on the cusp, so there's hope. Anyways, I decided to grab a new yoga mat for myself. This one's on clearance. So I'm gonna swoop up on this. That's it for this video. I hope that was helpful, and see you guys next time. Remember, you can follow me on all my social medias, which are always linked down in the description. Remember, till next time, if they ain't paying your bills, pay them no mind. Check you later. Totally just hit myself with this yoga mat. I'm going to go to Walmart right now because a lot of you guys suggested to go check them out since they have pretty affordable, well-fitting yoga pants. So we're gonna get those, and I'm gonna take you along with me. And my yoga class is at 11, so we gotta hurry. All right, guys, so these are the ones that I'm gonna be trying on. I know they are all very similar and pretty boring, but to be honest, they didn't really have that many options for XXL, and I'm pretty sure that's my size. So we'll just see how this works. So here's the first pair. These ones are actually my favorite ones that I pulled. So I'm kind of happy that they really fit. This is a little weird though, because it sort of cuts off my fat, but it's okay. I like it. Okay, so I think these are probably coming home with me. They fit incredibly comfortable. It's a little loose around the ankle, but it is what it is. But the coolest part is it has this little tie in here so you can tighten it. Yay! Also, it has these pockets on both sides, and it's like $5 cheaper than the last ones that I showed you. So yeah, I think these are probably going to be the winner. What do you think? These ones were a lot similar to the last ones that I tried on. They're slightly less expensive. They don't have pockets, nothing like that, but it does have that adjustable strap, so that is pretty cool. And these are the last pair that I'm going to be trying on. They're pretty similar to the ones I had on earlier, or I mean the ones that I was wearing when I started the day. Jeez, makes sense, Jess. Okay, anyways, but it does have like this little sheer mesh part. We already know these are the winners, the one with the pockets that fit really nice except for on the ankle. These ones, let me find the tag, are, oh god, I can't do it in time. There we go. I wanted to show you what is in my yoga bag, I guess. So this bag, first of all, I got as a Christmas present forever ago from my friend Nicole. And I have this fan in there because bitch gonna be hot. So, and inside the bag I have my yoga mat towel that I just bought, some shoes, bra, extra pair of clothing, basically change of clothing. And then my yoga mat and this guy right here. This is just an ice pack, and then my coconut water. Fun fact, I fucking hate coconuts and I don't like coconut water, but this is what supposedly is the best thing for you to drink after sweating so much so you can get your electrolytes back. So I'm gonna force this one down. So it's basically a half hour till my class starts. I'm gonna go in early. They suggest 15 minutes early, but I'm a nervous Nelly, so I'm just gonna go in a lot earlier than that. Yeah, I'm anxious and excited. I'll let you know how it goes, but wish me luck, guys. So that was an experience. I'm literally like, I'm shaky, dude. Like I'm just gonna chug the shit out of this. By the way, it tastes like apple juice that went bad, but I don't give a fuck because it's liquid. If you didn't notice, I changed clothes. It's because I was soaked, dripping like as if I just came out of the fucking swimming pool and I was like peeling off freshly soaked bathing suit. Like, it was gross, but so good. Like, weird. Bro, my vein is bulging in my fucking face. Like, you know, you gotta work out when your eye can't keep it together anymore. That, and like, it was 105 degrees in there, and all the skinny people were talking about how it was like excessively, like particularly fucking hot and humid in there, and they were having a hard time keeping it together. So I was really proud of myself. I did tap out a few times, like I went into child's pose a few times, but for the most part I powered through. I forgot to mention in that last one too, don't eat before your class, at least 2 hours before your class, just so you're not also digesting food while trying to do all of those very difficult positions in an incredibly hot room. So yeah, that's one thing that contributes. I'm gonna illustrate to you guys like how fucking disgusting wet this shirt is. Oh, like, I'm gonna throw it on the ground and you guys are gonna hear how heavy it is, okay? Wow, that was a straight up thud. Everything is all wet and disgusting. I definitely recommend bring an extra pair of clothes before you go, or you know what I mean, bring extra clothes. So I took a shower and I'm feeling a lot better, but while I was in the shower, I remembered that I wanted to mention to you guys something. I know that a lot of plus size people are really hesitant to go to any like yoga classes or anything like that because they think that they're going to be walking into a mob of judgy, skinny, tiny little blonde hair, blue-eyed, judgmental bitches, but that was so far from what I experienced. Everyone was incredibly welcoming and nice and kind, and just so you know, I was not the only plus size person there. Granted, I was the only plus size female. There were some plus size men and some older guys and skinny people, everybody. So basically what I'm trying to say is that if you are intimidated or feel some type of way about going into your first yoga class because of that thought process, just, you know, take a step out of your comfort zone, see how it goes, because you might be pleasantly surprised with the experience that you have from the other people there, and also from discovering some things about yourself that maybe you weren't aware of. But if you're more comfortable with doing yoga at home, I do have my playlist on my YouTube channel called Yoga Videos I Follow, and that has every video I've ever followed in order, from like when I started doing yoga to the last one that I did at home, and you can find that on my YouTube channel.